Let's jump straight into this base. So you're going to need almond meal, cocoa, golden syrup and coconut oil, and egg rings. Just cover your egg rings with some coconut oil to help with the release. Combine your almond meal and your cocoa together. Make sure that you blend well and squish out any lumps. When you're ready, add your liquid ingredients, so your golden syrup and your coconut oil, and blend well together. I'm using this really amazing liquid coconut oil as well as this organic coconut powder for my base. So once your base is prepared, just squish them down into the egg rings. Make sure that you leave enough in the base for your chocolate filling as well as the ganache. Once these are done, they're ready to pop in the fridge and set. So now we're going to make our coconut milk ganache. We want full cream coconut milk, and I'm using a dairy-free chocolate, which you can find at Woolworths in the health food section. Break up your chocolate, and we're going to use a double boiler method here. We're going to put the chocolate over some boiling hot water, and then we're going to combine our coconut milk and just blend well together until it's all melted. Once the ganache is combined, then pop it in the fridge to chill. I also like to melt a little bit of the extra chocolate with some coconut oil and fill up the bases to create an extra chocolatey layer. Once that's all filled, pop that back in the fridge to set. Grab a chilled bowl and we're going to whip our chocolate ganache. So pop it in and then blend. I've also added in some freeze-dried raspberry powder into this as well, just for that extra raspberry kick. And it should look like this once it starts to come together. Just be mindful that this will set really quickly. So get your little cases out of the fridge and fill them with your whipped raspberry chocolate ganache. Pop these back in the fridge to set, and we're going to prepare our tools and bowl for the Aquafaba by just giving them a wipe down with lemon juice. Onto the meringue, we've got chilled chickpea juice, we've got some cream of tartar, sugar, lemon juice and vanilla. So you're going to combine your chickpea juice and cream of tartar and some vanilla into a bowl, as well as your lemon juice, and you are going to blend that up until it's nice and frothy. When making a meringue with Aquafaba, you just need to make sure that you add your sugar in slowly. Keep blending until you start to see stiff peaks form, and there's your meringue. Pop it into a piping bag and pipe on top of your tarts. Dust off with some freeze-dried raspberry powder. I get mine from Berry Fresh. They're amazing and the taste is super intense. And there you have it, an egg-free, dairy-free and gluten-free dessert. Let me know if you have a crack at this in the comments below, and happy baking!